Right. A queer chapter of the veiling. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate, when the sun shall be veiled, when the stars shall become murky, when the mountain shall be moved, when the camels 10 months gone with young shall be untended, when the wild beasts shall be driven together, when the sea shall be made to boil up, when the soul shall be paired, when the female child buried alive shall be axed. For what sin was she put to death? When the pages shall be spread open, when the heavens shall be stripped away, when hell shall be heated up, when the garden shall be brought near, a soul shall know what it has presented. I swear not by the stars that lag, that run, and that fade away, by the night when it lingers, by the morning when it breathes. It is verily the speech of a noble messenger, powerful beside him of the throne established, obeyed there and trustworthy. Your comrade is not mad. He saw him on the clear horizon, nor is he regarding the unseen, uncommunicative. It is not the speech of a Satan stone. Where then will ye go? It is nothing less than a reminder to the worlds, that whoever of you wills to act straight, but will you not so will, except it be that Allah, Lord of the worlds, willeth. And say, you got ruling will and you got the limited will. Our limited will is given some options, but those, God has the final say per se, but then again, everything that's we do wrong or believe wrong or something, that's fully our choice. And God gave us the choice to do what was right and all that. But, now the sin that the child is killed for, well, nowadays it's not so much infanticide, although that is more common than one thinks. And certainly certain circumstances may make those mothers go insane, you could call it, but I wouldn't say that that's usually the case, that they're actually insane. Particularly when communism or capitalism is at its strongest. Corporatism too. But even more so where feminism is at its strongest. Females are the #1 target of abortion. People find out they're giving birth to a female, they are more likely to have an abortion. And what do people stand in? Some of the people with their signs calling for more freedom to do abortion at will, and even government funding for it, to the point of billions of dollars a year. That's the main thing behind abortion, really, is billions of dollars a year. It's not, there's permanent effects physically and psychologically for the women, various degrees. And do they know how much it's going to affect them or not? But they're saying, don't tell us what to do on a Friday night. It's like, are you kidding me? You want abortion because it will help you to, per se, get away with your sexual decisions? So that's the sin they're being killed for, right? But we're not saying that that's something to do on.